Hi guys, welcome to another product review video. I just received the package today and I decided to go along and make this video because I don't have any other time to do so. So today we're going to be reviewing Korean beauty products. I didn't expect this. So I received these gifts from Yesstyle. Before this, they actually offered to give out products, Korean beauty products for review. I didn't look, or maybe I just forgot what the contents are. I'm not really sure what's in it. As far as I know, they're Korean beauty products. So I'm thinking maybe lotions or face creams or face masks or something of that sort. So let's go ahead and open the package. This video is sponsored by Yesstyle, a unique and exciting online shopping destination. If you're into quality products from premium brands across Asia, then you should go and check out Yesstyle by visiting www.yesstyle.com, or you can also download the Yesstyle app on Apple Store or Google Play and shop for beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and more on the go. Enjoy extra discounts by clicking on the link in the descriptions or by using the code Ilongome, that's ILONGGOME, on your order. Again, thank you very much for Yesstyle for the gifts. And this is a Korean beauty set. I'm not sure what this is. So here they are. There are 3 items. I haven't read them yet, but I can see there are 3 items inside this plastic. First one, it seems to look like lipstick.
Say goodbye. We all know that it's a lie.
So the name of the brand is Moonshot. It's called Moonshot Tintfit Shine 5 Colors Apricot Beige. Moonshot Tintfit Shine. Tintfit. A water coating tint that delivers pure volume shine. For the lips or for the face, I don't know. So it's Korean. Again, it's Korean products, and again, I have to tell you, I know how to read Korean. I just don't understand most of them. So this one says Bulek Bukushe A Begwa. Just kidding, that's French. Glow lasting, moist fit, long wear, tinted. So I've mentioned the word tint a lot of times. It mentions the word tint a lot of times. So something, it has something to do with color. Okay, so just for you to see what I mean here. You know what? I'm using my camera. I'm using my phone camera right now, so I really can't do this. Well, I've been doing this, but it doesn't seem to work on my videos because I don't have those expensive camera that YouTubers usually use. No. So anyway, I'm gonna keep trying because they're doing this to focus the product. I, on the other hand, can't seem to do it. It doesn't seem to work on me. Anyway, this is the box. It's lipstick. Guys, I'm really not sure what it is. It says Tint Fit Shine. So that's the name of the product. Tint Fit Shine. Okay, I can't focus. I can't do this thing, you know, that YouTubers do. Hey, is this for the lips? Where do you use this? I think it's for the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and read the box, the description. Again, I'm gonna try and read the description because I'm really not sure if it's for the lips or for the cheeks, or I don't know which. I don't know what kind of tint this is. Guys, don't laugh at me. Well, you can go laugh at me. I won't even know. Yeah, directions. Take an appropriate amount with the tip and swipe it from inside to outside of the lips. Of the lips, guys, it's for the lips. I thought they're for my cheeks. They're for the lips. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to use it. Did it say inside to outside or outside to inside of the lips? I'm not really sure. inside to outside. Inside to outside of the lips, does that mean from here going there or here going there? I don't know. Anyway, what the heck. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I already have some lip balm on, but what the heck. It's kind of cold. Now I look like a woman. It's supposed to be beige. As you can see, I tried to put it in my lips. It says beige, but I'm not really sure if it's beige. It's like a bit of a red-orange tint. It tastes good, actually. Look, I tried to erase that tint from my skin, but the color is still there. See it? Next.
Every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's.
We're gonna be going from the smallest to the biggest. Second product is also from Moonshot. This one is a pure layered palette, 2 types, rosy bloom. I don't know what that means, maybe makeup. The first one was lip tint. This one is probably for the face. Rosy bloom, what do you expect? I think it's a blush on or something. Pure 5 shades, what does that mean? Offers a true bright color with an extra touch. Pure layer fit, mood and more. Pocket, palette. So there's melting moment, blooming rose, my dear, warm-hearted, and beloved. I have to say this, the packaging is really cool and girly. It looks shiny and metallic. Oh. Remove sticker before use, Moonshot. So it's a layered palette, there are 5 colors. Oh my god, this is so gay. I didn't expect this. Well, I've been doing cosplays lately, so maybe it's kinda useful. Look, my lips are still glimmering, shining, shimmering, splendid with a thin lip tint. Moonshot is a green product. And yeah, I don't know how to use it. I don't have. Should I test it in front of you guys? Maybe. Okay, I'll do it. I don't have a applicator or brush or anything. Well, I'm gonna try to use. Oh, this one is glittery. Okay. How do you just simply put it like this? Oh. Glitter! I think it went into my eye. Okay, I didn't expect I'm gonna be liking this. Ooh, look. It's glittery, it's shining, shimmering, splendid. Look at my eyes right now. Girl, my lips are shining, shimmering, splendid, and I don't know if I put it right. Did I apply it correctly? I'm not sure. I don't know, but I'm liking it though. So that was the second part. Now for the third and final product that I've got.
I just wanna be happy tonight.
The last one. Oh, from Macqueen. It's from a different brand, but still from Yesstyle. This one is fake up. So this one is a shading and brush set. Cool. This is from Macqueen, New York. I thought they're gonna be sending me Korean beauty product. Oh, okay, this Korean. It's designed by Korea. Okay, look, it's all in Korean. So it's a shading powder that completes 3-dimensional face line in a perfect combination of 3 colors. So 3-color shading powder that can be properly mixed and used for various skin tones. Cool. Natural brown color optimized for Korean women's skin tone. How about for Korean men or men in general? Mineral contained powder that is applied lightly and tightly to give a smooth and transparent finish. I don't know what that means. So how to use. Mix 3 colors and dab at the entire face contour to give a shadow effect. So it's for contouring, basically. Use each color separately to design in 3 dimensions the areas that need shading, such as the nose, hairline, and so on. Oh, it's for contouring and highlighting the face. Cool. There's a brush inside. Again, it's from Macqueen, New York. Look, it's brand new. It's sealed. So there's a brush. Came with a brush. And of course, the shading product. The brush is really soft. MQNY, which stands for Macqueen, New York. So that's what it meant. There are 3 shades of brown, and then you can just go ahead and mix them all to create like a color for a certain skin tone and apply it in your face. Or you can use it one by one for highlighting and contouring. That's really smart. That's really a smart product. It's cool. I also do contouring and highlighting when I'm doing my cosplays because, you know, you have to give that effect that you look like a god or a goddess, or you look like you're out of this world perfect. My cosplays are not that perfect, but you know, it gives that certain effect. Never mind. Let me try to use this one. I'm not gonna mix it yet. Okay, the consistency is just okay. So this one is dark, so I can use it at the side of my nose.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
Or
'Cause we always
here.
give it one last
For, you know, emphasis.
yeah, you've watched
So that I look like I've got jawline for days. The other colors, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm not really good at this. I'm just happy that I received the package and I'm trying to show it to you guys so that if you're really, you know, if you're interested in products like these or you're using products like these, you can just go ahead and go to Yesstyle.com, or you can go ahead and upload their app on Google Store or iStore. That's Yesstyle. Go ahead and search for it. You can go ahead and order these products right there. I'm gonna provide some links under the descriptions down below so that you can go ahead and check them out. And the best part is you can use the code ILONGOME for you to get extra discounts. So you just go ahead and click on the links, and then when you get to the cart, to the, you know, when you check out or before you check out, put the code ILONGOME. That's only one word. That's ILONGGOME for you to get the extra discount. So, guys, how do I look so far? Oh, look. I look mysteriously handsome. I think the lightest shade would go on this here. This is the highlighter, the highlighting part, I think. So look at my face all glammed up. Well, I tried.
I'll be waiting for you in the morning. I'll leave without giving a warning. I'll leave without giving a. Every time we say goodbye.
I've provided links on the descriptions below, so go ahead and check on them. Use the code ILONGOME and get some extra discounts. So again, thank you very much for Yesstyle for providing me these products and for the gifts and for the generosity. Thank you very much. Guys, go ahead and check them out. And thank you very much for supporting my channel, for supporting ILONGOME, and for watching this video. And I hope to see you again on that next one.